In this tutorial, we will be looking into locking and unlocking objects in our playlist. To do that, we will start by creating a playlist. I will name this playlist my new playlist. We will choose a 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard, and then simply hit create. Now let's enter this playlist. In this scenario, I will be creating a kind of corporate identity. I'm going to give the canvas a blue color, and then I want to add something similar to a footer. In this case, I will be adding a rectangular. Let's give it another color. Now, if you go to layers, you will have the option of locking this object. So if I lock this one, you will see that it now has a red line around the object, meaning that the object cannot be deleted, it cannot be moved, and you cannot resize it. I will also be adding a logo. Think about this as a corporate identity throughout your digital signage content. Let's lock the logo, and again, now you have both the rectangular object and the logo, which you cannot delete, you cannot move it, and you cannot resize it. Now that I've created my corporate identity, I can start adding content to the playlist. So in this case, for this short tutorial, I'll simply be adding a couple of images. Let's center this right here. And instead of creating a new slide and having to do it all over again, I'm simply going to clone the slide instead. So cloning the slide, of course, gives you the same object and logo, and they will still be locked. And I can easily just switch out the content that is not locked. If we move out of the playlist and go into settings for this playlist, we are going to open Advanced tab, and you will have this section where you can grant access to members in your team to lock and unlock your objects. If you were to toggle off the member and the sharee, then members of your team and those who you shared your playlist with will not have the option of unlocking the objects. So they will never be able to delete, move, or resize any objects on your canvas that have been locked, for example, by the owner or the administrator.